Today, we're learning how to wash our hands. Today, I'm playing in the mud. Oh no, my hands got dirty. Yuck, my hands are dirty. I remember, it's time to wash my hands now. Let's say it together, friends. Wash your hands. First, I'm gonna turn on the water. Whoosh! Next, I'm getting some soap. Squish, squish. Now, I am washing my hands. Rub them together like this. I am washing the front and the back of my hands. Now I rinse the soap away like this. Now it's time to shake the soap off of my hands like this. Then I dry them with a soft towel. Look, my hands are all clean now. Yummy! My hands smell so good. Remember this, you should always wash your hands after you play. And before we eat yummy food too. Well, that's all. Thanks for joining Zazu today. See you next time.